This young woman faced rejection over 100 times, but now she is the CEO of a company worth $40 billion. Meet Melanie Perkins, the visionary behind Canva, a platform that has revolutionized graphic design and is used by millions worldwide, including 90% of Fortune 500 companies. But her journey wasn't smooth sailing. Born to a humble family with diverse roots, Melanie's story is a testament to perseverance, innovation, and the power of believing in your dreams. From selling handmade scarves at 14 to challenging giants like Adobe, Melanie's rise is nothing short of inspirational. Welcome to Satoshi Finance, where we break down complex finance topics to educate and empower you on your journey to financial freedom. Join us as we delve into the incredible journey of how one woman's unwavering determination turned a simple idea into a global phenomenon, proving that no dream is too big and no obstacle too great. If you're looking for motivation to chase your dreams, this story is for you. Melanie Perkins was born into a culturally rich and diverse family, with her father being an Australian teacher and her mother a Malaysian engineer of Filipino and Sri Lankan descent. This multicultural heritage played a significant role in shaping her worldview and fostering an environment where creativity and perseverance were highly valued. Growing up in Perth, Australia, Melanie was exposed to a blend of different cultures and traditions, which broadened her perspective and nurtured her innovative spirit from an early age. Her entrepreneurial journey began at the tender age of 14 when she started making and selling handmade scarves to local shops and markets in Perth. This early venture not only showcased her creativity, but also her business acumen as she navigated the challenges of production, marketing, and sales. Melanie's initiative to turn a simple idea into a profitable business venture demonstrated her inherent knack for entrepreneurship and her willingness to take risks. This early experience laid the foundation for her future endeavors and instilled in her the confidence to pursue larger and more ambitious projects, eventually leading to the creation of Canva. Melanie Perkins' journey took a pivotal turn when she joined the University of Western Australia. Immersed in an environment filled with creativity and innovation, Melanie quickly found her niche in design software. However, it wasn't long before she noticed a significant issue: the complexity of the design programs used in her coursework. Programs like Photoshop were powerful but intimidating, especially for beginners. Melanie saw firsthand how her peers struggled to navigate these tools, often feeling frustrated and overwhelmed. This experience sparked a realization: design software shouldn't be so hard to learn. It was here that the seeds of a revolutionary idea began to take root, one that would eventually lead to the creation of Canva. Melanie's time at university was not just about academic learning. It was about identifying a problem and envisioning a solution that would democratize design for everyone. In 2007, driven by her vision of making design more accessible, Melanie Perkins made the bold decision to drop out of college and start her first business, Fusion Books. Together with her partner, Cliff Obrecht, they launched an online platform that allowed students and schools to create their own yearbooks. Operating out of her mother's living room, Melanie faced the typical struggles of a young entrepreneur: limited resources, long hours, and the uncertainty of a new venture. Despite these challenges, Fusion Books quickly gained traction, becoming Australia's largest yearbook publisher. This early success was a testament to Melanie's innovative thinking and determination, laying the foundation for what would become an even bigger venture: Canva. Fusion Books was more than just a business. It was a proof of concept that design could be simplified and made accessible to a broader audience. In 2011, Melanie Perkins and Cliff Obrecht found themselves at a critical juncture in their entrepreneurial journey. They participated in a startup competition in Perth, eager to pitch a new, ambitious idea: an online graphic design platform that would be accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical skills. This was the early concept of what would eventually become Canva. During the competition, they caught the attention of Bill Tai, a prominent Silicon Valley investor who was in town for the event. Impressed by their vision and determination, Bill saw the potential in their idea and became an important ally in their journey. Through Bill Tai, Melanie and Cliff were introduced to Lars Rasmussen, the co-founder of Google Maps, who was intrigued by their concept. Lars's extensive experience in the tech industry proved invaluable, and he quickly became a mentor, helping them refine their vision for Canva. It was through Lars that they also met Cameron Adams, a former Google engineer with a deep understanding of product development and design. Cameron was equally inspired by the idea of democratizing design and joined the team as Chief Product Officer. This pivotal meeting with Bill Tai not only brought crucial connections and expertise, but also provided Melanie and Cliff with the support they needed to transform their vision into a reality. This marked the beginning of a new chapter, where their dream of Canva started to take shape with the guidance of industry veterans. If you've made it this far, consider taking a moment to subscribe to our channel. Subscribing is absolutely free, and you can always change your mind. We have a wealth of financial insights and exciting discussions lined up for you. Your support not only helps us reach a broader audience, but also motivates us to continue creating high-quality content that educates and empowers viewers like you. So, hit that subscribe button, stay tuned, and join us on this journey towards financial empowerment. Thank you for being a part of our community. The development of Canva was a journey marked by both challenges and perseverance. After securing the support of influential mentors like Lars Rasmussen and Cameron Adams, Melanie Perkins and her team set out to create a minimum viable product, MVP, that would embody their vision of a user-friendly, accessible graphic design platform. However, bringing this vision to life was far from easy. The team faced numerous technical challenges, from building an intuitive drag-and-drop interface to ensuring the platform could handle the complexities of design without overwhelming users. They spent over a year refining the MVP, constantly iterating and seeking feedback to strike the right balance between functionality and simplicity. The process was demanding, but Melanie's commitment to making design accessible to everyone kept the team focused and motivated. In 2013, after much anticipation, Canva was officially launched. The platform's ease of use and accessibility immediately resonated with users, particularly small business owners, educators, and non-designers who needed professional-looking graphics without the steep learning curve of traditional design software. The initial reception was overwhelmingly positive, with users praising Canva for its simplicity and effectiveness. As word spread, Canva's growth trajectory quickly accelerated. Within months, the platform attracted a significant user base, and its popularity continued to soar. The team's hard work and dedication paid off as Canva began to carve out its place in the graphic design industry, setting the stage for the massive global impact it would eventually have. Canva's growth after its launch in 2013 was nothing short of remarkable. The platform quickly gained traction, expanding its user base at an exponential rate. What started as a tool for non-designers to create simple graphics soon became a go-to platform for a wide range of users, from individuals and small businesses to large corporations. Canva's global expansion was fueled by its accessibility, with its easy-to-use interface and cloud-based platform breaking down barriers for users around the world. As Canva continued to innovate, adding new features and templates, its popularity soared, and the platform rapidly became a household name in the design industry. As Canva's user base grew, so did its competition with industry giants like Adobe Photoshop and Microsoft Designer. Despite facing such formidable rivals, Canva held its own by staying true to its mission of democratizing design. While Adobe and Microsoft catered to professionals with complex tools, Canva appealed to the masses with its simplicity and affordability. This strategy paid off as Canva reached several key milestones. By 2023, the platform had amassed over 170 million users across 190 countries and achieved a valuation of $40 billion. Canva's success was underscored by significant achievements, including partnerships with major corporations and integration with various online platforms. The company's growth not only disrupted the design industry, but also redefined what was possible for a startup with a clear vision and a commitment to accessibility. One of the most striking aspects of Canva's success is its penetration into the corporate world. Today, Canva is used by 90% of Fortune 500 companies, including major clients like Zoom, PayPal, and Reddit. These companies rely on Canva not just for basic design tasks, but for creating everything from social media graphics to internal presentations and marketing materials. Canva's ability to serve such a diverse array of clients, from solo entrepreneurs to global corporations, highlights its versatility and the value it brings to businesses of all sizes. This widespread adoption by industry leaders underscores Canva's impact on the design world and its role as a transformative tool in the digital age. Melanie Perkins' journey from a young entrepreneur selling handmade scarves to the co-founder and CEO of a $40 billion company is a testament to her vision, determination, and relentless pursuit of innovation. Starting with the creation of fusion books in her mother's living room, Melanie identified a gap in the market for accessible design tools and turned that insight into Canva, a platform that revolutionized the way people create and share visual content. Over the years, Canva has grown into a global powerhouse, serving millions of users worldwide and becoming an indispensable tool for businesses, educators, and creatives alike. Melanie's leadership has not only driven Canva's incredible success, but has also set a new standard for what can be achieved when technology is harnessed to empower people. Melanie's story is a powerful reminder of the impact of perseverance and innovation. Her ability to see opportunities where others saw obstacles, coupled with her unwavering commitment to simplifying design, transformed Canva from a simple idea into a global phenomenon. Melanie's journey underscores the importance of believing in your vision, even in the face of rejection and challenges. It shows that with the right mindset and determination, it's possible to turn even the most ambitious dreams into reality. As Melanie continues to lead Canva into the future, her story serves as an inspiration to entrepreneurs everywhere. Proof that innovation, combined with perseverance, can truly change the world. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.